In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Smartsheet Charts. By the end, you'll know how to create a dashboard, add a chart widget, and connect it to the right data so your visuals stay clear and up to date. Start on the Smartsheet homepage. From here, look for the option to start a new project, program, or process. That opens the creation experience where you can decide how you want to begin. You'll see a gallery of templates, including role-based suggestions such as company management. Templates can save time, but to make the chart process crystal clear, we'll proceed by starting from scratch. Pick a new workspace starting point and choose Dashboard as your item type. Dashboards are the home for charts in Smartsheet, so this is where your visualizations will live. Create the dashboard, and when the blank canvas appears, click Get Started to open the widget options. Select Chart from the widget list. A chart placeholder will appear on your dashboard, and now it needs a data source. Click Add Data to open the data picker. Navigate to the workspace that holds the information you want to visualize. Select the workspace, then choose the specific sheet that contains your data. Confirm your choice by clicking OK. You'll now see the data panel with the sheet's columns available. Select and drag the column you want to include in the chart configuration. If the column is text, Smartsheet uses it as categories on your axis. If it's numeric, Smartsheet treats it as a value series. Choose the field that best represents what you want to visualize, such as totals, counts, or statuses, and place it in the appropriate spot. When you're satisfied with the selection, click OK to apply the data to the chart. A few practical tips as you set this up. Keep your source sheet clean and consistent. Charts work best when number columns are truly numeric and text columns are clearly labeled. If your date fields need grouping by month or quarter, consider preparing that in your sheet ahead of time with a helper column, so the chart reads intuitively. If values don't appear as expected, check that you drag the correct column and that the data type matches what you're trying to display. You can adjust chart titles, colors, and label visibility from the chart settings panel after the data is connected, which helps align the visualization with your audience and brand. That's it. Home to creation, dashboard to chart, select your sheet, drag the right column, and confirm. Your Smartsheet chart is now ready to share insights at a glance.